Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. I'll be reviewing this piece of jewelry by Anniweeny. Love this specific type of turquoise. This is super nice. Box. Ooh, the box is like leather or something. If you can see like the pattern there. I mean like fake leather obviously, but it's kind of cool. So we got two pieces inside. Wow, these are quite sturdy plastic that it comes in. So this is the first chain. It's basically like a customizable, you can do whatever letter you want on there. I chose C because this is actually for my friend. Let's go ahead and just clasp it on. I can show you. Clasp it. Get in there. So if you can't get it on, you can get some help to help you get it on. Thanks. All right, so that is what the bracelet looks like. Just a really nice little charm, really elegant, delicate. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Oh, I like that. Here is the next chain. It's just kind of like a 2-chain look. Once again, if you can't get it on yourself, have somebody get it on for you. So that is the 2-chain bracelet look. So yeah, so basically it's anything just like, or you could put it on the opposite hand as well. I think that it looks kind of nice with the 2-chain right there. This is a customizable jewelry brand, so anything, whatever letter you want. So if you want to purchase your letter, check out the link below. And for more product reviews, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.